Want to use your AirPods with an Android device, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to pair your AirPods with Android. Now let's get started. To pair your AirPods with an Android device, open the Settings app on your Android and select Connections. Then select Bluetooth. Bring your AirPods near your Android and open the case. Then hold down the button on the back of your AirPods case to put them in pairing mode. Tap Scan at the top of your Android screen to search for available devices. When your AirPods appear in the list of available devices on your Android, tap your AirPods in the list to pair them. Then tap Pair to confirm. You can then use your AirPods with your Android to listen to music or watch videos or whatever else you want to listen to. If you want to pair your AirPods with an Apple device, check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.